Here in front of me I've got a die-cast model of an MQ-1 Predator drone. Drones nowadays are really hot on the battlefield. Before I'm doing an unboxing and a review, I want to show you this diorama scene I've got from a flight of an aircraft carrier. I bought this on AliExpress. These are actually belonging behind the base plate right here, but that's not possible because they will fall behind the desk. They are €5 a piece, and I will leave a link in the description of where I got them. It's from the brand and they also make figures. Let's see. Okay, let's start with the review about this drone. I'm not 100% sure what the brand is. Here we see the scale, 1/72 scale. Here we got some information about the drone. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Here we got the side. Yeah, some more information. And here we got the back, and it's got a manual. Wow, dude is surprised. Normally these models from China don't come with a manual. What can we see on the manual? You can display it in flight mode and landing mode, attaching the model to the stand, so it comes with a display stand. I like that. So very well protected in plastic. So here you can see what's inside. We got the drone, we got the base of the display stand, and here you can put on the drone. Got a small bag here, and here some accessories, 2 rockets and some wheels. Okay, let's take it out. I'm not going to put it on the display stand, but this looks very easy. Okay, you do it like this. There we go. Whoop. And we place it like this. Very simple. Oh, where is that? It's right here. There we go. Base is, or the display stand is made out of metal, and it's got the name on it, MQ-1 Predator. We'll place it right here. So here we have the drone. Yep. It rotates. Got a number on the side. American Air Force logo on the side. And what is this? Also some logo. Got another logo right here. It looks like a, I don't know what it is. I have no idea. Okay, here it says Magana Peterson. Okay, so I think this is the camera, sensors, etc. And here it also has an American Air Force logo. Okay, let's place the model right here. We can immediately place it here on the display stand. Why not? There we go. Okay, you can take this off. We got the two rockets. I'm going to put them right here. I need to put this in. Yes, I need this one. I can place it here on the aircraft diorama, so not in flying mode. Can the wheel spin? No, not really. And I think we also need this one. This is for the back. And here we got the ones for flying mode. Okay, let's take this off. First we start with these right here. So I think I have to put it right here. Here. These are for the rockets, obviously. Okay, so one here. One there. This one is for the front, not for the back. I thought it was for the back. I think it's like this. Oh. This should be magnetic. It falls off really easy. I'm not hoping that's the same with the rockets. Here we got the rockets. Hallelujah. Seriously? Okay. Yeah, that is what you got when you're buying a cheap Diecast model. Oh no, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. This is what you got when you don't do preparation for the video. Okay, so the rockets won't fall off. How about the wheels? Let's see. Let's use some of force. Oh. Oh. No, I definitely have to use some glue. I have some glue right here. Back in a sec. Okay, so I'm back. And I can now put it here. Looks pretty nice, I have to say. I can make it look a little bit better. Got some aircraft carrier crew here. Also bought these on AliExpress. We'll leave a link in the description. Not sure if it's still available, but oh. I have to say, looks very well painted. Not bad at all. Let's put this guy over here and let's see if it stands by its own. No problem at all. Oh, we even got a pilot right here. This thing doesn't need a pilot. You know, pilot is checking out what is going on. No, this one will not stand on his own. We got this one right here. Inspecting the wing. Okay. Inspecting the other wing. Yeah, we definitely need this guy. Not sure what it's doing. He's right here in position. Okay, this dude is probably handing something over to the one over there. Yeah, definitely. Oh, this one is running. And I don't have any gum here, so you're going right here. You are for later. Then we have this dude right here. He is. Yep, perfect. This guy. Oop. Practicing his moves for when it takes off. Whoa. And then we have this one right here. They're really well painted. Was not expecting that, but they look really, really good. He's standing right here doing something. And then we got another one. Yeah, thumbs up, guys. If you like this video, if you want to see more videos on my YouTube channel, this guy is showing how to do it. Oh, no. Come on. Dude, no. No. This one also needs some gum. No. There we go. So we got two that need some gum. But this is a pretty cool picture. Yeah, I like that. Let's have a closer look. Reaper drone. Very nice. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.